We are here at Hollywood. That, of course, was Toy Story music. I couldn't do any filming until they went by, and Boo already tasted the frosting on this. Was it good?
Did I? Look, you're the one.
There's your little fork imprint.
That might be a discrepancy. I never touched it.
That's my tongue right there.
Yeah, okay.
But you did touch it right there, so I thought it was good. It's buttercream. All right, this is called a Glimmer and Shimmer Blondie. It's like a brownie, but no chocolate. There's sometimes white chocolate in them, but this is a buttercream frosting. It's a gooey toffee and toasted coconut. That's what's in this, with salted caramel buttercream and festive gold nuggets. See the little nuggets right there, and then you got the little chocolate emblem.
Come on, you're talking too much.
I get Boo half. So now we're gonna try this. All right, so take the little wrapper down. Okay.
Oh, he got funnel cake or something.
Yeah, that's a Glimmer and Shimmer funnel cake that is over by Indiana Jones.
I'm going to see Indy.
You're seeing Indy today?
Yeah.
I'm just cutting it into fours.
Because we have 2 other people that'll be here sharing this with us.
Yeah, we'll be sharing this with a couple other people. So we're gonna go ahead and, oops, make a mess on the table. Alrighty. And I'm gonna just go ahead and pick up a quarter of it, and I'm gonna mush down the buttercream a little bit. Now this is gooey. It's soft, it is. Oh my goodness. The salted caramel that I'm getting on this. Woo! Alright, so there are nuts, there's coconut in them. You know what, there might be. It tastes like, I don't know. You can definitely taste the toasted coconut. You can taste the buttercream. You can taste the salted caramel. But, and I believe that's little pieces of chocolate in there. That's what I think.
Oh my goodness.
All right, Boo, what do you think?
Oh my. That's a sugar explosion.
Can you tell if the little brown things, are those chocolate?
I'm not tasting the chocolate right now. I'm tasting mostly the coconut.
I thought maybe it might have been like an almond or something, or not an almond, but a pecan or something, or walnut pressed into it, but it's not. It's soft. So that's why I was thinking it might just be chocolate. But you can see the cookie texture. Boo was just trying to take my buttercream.
Look, a squirrel.
Y'all seen that, right? I'm trying to take it. Oh, you guys didn't see it. But, it's sugary, but it's not over sugar, the buttercream. You know, sometimes you can get buttercream and it is really sweet. Really, really sweet. I forget what restaurant or what store makes really sweet one. But this is just right. And the coconut in it. Yeah. If you come to Hollywood Studios, back lot has this. Give it a try. You'll thank me later.
Okay.
All right. Our thoughts, truthfully, on this Gooey Toffee Blondie, the Glimmer Shimmer one. I'm still getting stuff off my face. The cookie with the coconut. Coconut overpowered the cookie in a way.
Yeah.
But it was good. It was really good. The little brown things I was seeing it were pieces of the toffee, like the Heath bar. They crunched it up, but you didn't get the toffee taste in there. It just, the coconut is all you could really flavor out. And the buttercream was not sweet. So when you mix that with the sweetie cookie, it kind of set it off. And so the sweetness with the butter frosting, buttercream, and the cookie mixed it up really good. Ice cream might have been good on it too. A scoop of vanilla ice cream if the brownie would have been, or the blondie would have been warmer. That would have been good, but not if you have to go from the back lot over here to the back lot to get it. And then I'm over here by the pirate, or not the pirate ship, the boat, you know, with Gertie in the water and everything. You know, I'm over here in the lake area. I forget what it's called now. I don't know. But it's the water next to that Gertie's in. Anyways, long story short, good. And out of 5 yums, I'm gonna have to go 4 yums.
4 yums?
4 yums. I took a yum away because I wish it would have been a little bit warmer.
Okay, so you give it 4 yums?
What's that?
You give it 4 yums?
Yeah.
So how do we then know how that yum is then?
What do you mean?
Like, you give it 4 yums, no one's knowing what your 4 yums mean.
Oh, I know what it is. It's yum 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 4.
Wait, what was that with the fingers?
Yum 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 4.
Yum yum yum.
Yum 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 yum. So yum 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 yum. Yep, my 4 yums. How many boos do you give it? Or we gotta think of something for you. I got the yums. What are yours? You just want to do your yums too?
No.
No? Okay, you're gonna find something else to do?
No.
Okay, how did you like it?
The first piece that I had, I was like, this is awesome. But then the second piece, I felt like I was trying to get through it because it was just so sweet. And
It was chewable too. It was chewy.
Yeah. So, I mean, it was good. It definitely was better than that whoopie pie thing that we've gotten in the past.
Yeah, whoopie pie has not been good to us before, so.
What's up, Duck?
So, but we just came to Hollywood just for a little fun. We went on Mickey Minnie's and gotta get some pictures, and then we're out of here, man. We're out of here. It is busy at the park though. It's wait times are ridiculous. 100+ minutes for almost everything. So Disney's making some money here, okay? Let me just say that, Disney. You making some money, honey, all up in here. Oh, that breeze feels good. So that's all we have for you. We did the review of the Glimmer Shimmer Gooey Toffee Blondie. Say that with 5 times. I won't be able to. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you later. Love you. And thank you for being here. Bye.